Ryan Little.
Hey guys, it's Julianna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video for you guys, or a vlog if you want to call it that way. And I'm really excited. I've been vlogging a lot, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Also turn that post notification bell on so that every time I upload a new video, you guys will know. Today I'm going to be gisting and just getting my shit together because it is Sunday, and usually on Sundays is when I clean and when I just do the things that I haven't been able to do throughout the week because I work, and I do other things throughout the week that just kind of push those things away. So yes, today I'm going to be cleaning and washing my bedding. I'm going to be what else, doing stuff that is productive because I have honestly been depressed lately, and I don't think I really show it in my channel, but I've just been in a rut and I'm trying to get myself out of that rut, which means that I need to clean and I need to go through things and just get my life together because I start work tomorrow. So let the cleaning begin. So I'm done cleaning now, and I have my bedding in the washer. I cleaned the kitchen, like wiped down the countertops, dusted and mopped the floors. I cleaned off my desk in my bedroom. So I did some stuff that kind of helped with my life, and that's what I really like doing, is because I'd like to dedicate one day a week to gisting, or getting your shit together is what it's called. Kaylin Nicholson, if you haven't watched her, I'll link her channel down below. She actually invented the term of like getting your shit together one day a week, and like cleaning and doing self-care and just kind of, you know, doing things that help with your mental health one day a week, because that's what I really need to do anyway. So I'm gonna start making that a habit to do that stuff. And then what else? Let's see. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go edit these clips, and I'm just gonna chill and relax and recharge for work tomorrow because I have to work tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. Done with my cleaning and I'm just chilling now. I wanted to hop on here and give you guys a quick little update. One of the things that really helps me when I'm cleaning is just playing music, because you know, 2020 has definitely taken a hit on my life, and I have definitely cried a lot. I definitely felt very much so out of control, and I haven't shown it on my channel, but I feel like, honestly, I've had more lows than I've had more highs, and it's due to the unforeseen circumstances in the world right now. I feel very, very, very bad for what's going on in this world, because COVID-19 and just all of the downsides of this world has definitely taken a turn on my body. And when I'm off camera, there are things that I haven't shown. there's definitely things that I have not shown. And I've cried a lot, and I feel like gist days are mental health days for me, because these days are what helps me to like clean and to take care of my body and myself, because I'm creating zen in my living space and I'm taking care of what is mine. And I feel like when I'm doing that, I feel more in control of my life, and I don't feel like things are just slipping away from me, because on top of that, I take care of myself. And you know, that's what I love, because when I'm taking care of myself, I feel more in control. I have really bad manic depression, so there are highs and lows, and sometimes it strikes me when I least need it and when I least expect it. Like, it mainly hits me when I'm super busy and when I have so much going on in my life and when I have so much going for my life. The first things that start to slip away are, you know, my priorities and keeping on top of them. And that is why I love these gist days, because honestly it helps me to stay on track with my self-care and my cleaning, and it just kind of helps me to have some sense of control in my life. And I'm gonna finish my coffee right here, so let me finish my coffee and then we're gonna watch some Vampire Diaries and just chill for a bit. And I don't like really talk about mental health on my channel that much, and it's only because I just get kind of scared about it, and that's just the honest truth. So I'm gonna start being more open and vulnerable with you guys, and because like I have felt so out of control with my life lately, and honestly, I just have to sometimes tell myself that I am in control and that I can do it, because my emotions have gotten the best of me lately, and that's just the facts. So, I do some self-care after watching TV, and then maybe read a little bit. I don't know, we'll find out. But yeah, that's my little rant for the day, and I'm gonna go watch some TV now.